Hello lovelies, welcome back. Wash and shave these three ingredients: baby food, olive oil, cheese, and carrot. Make sure your carrot is properly washed and cleaned. So this recipe guys, your baby that is 4 to 6 months can take it, but if he or she is more than 6 months, you add just a pinch of salt. Cut them to the way that your blender can take it. So I'm cutting them like this. My blender can take it this way. So once I am done, I will add in to my pot and I will add some water and cook it until it is cooked. So make sure you are not distracted. I was distracted, that is why it dried up like this. I added to the blender cheese, olive oil, and I added some water. All my returnees, thank you for returning. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Check out my channel, turn on the post notification, and enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.